Now on our pound JPY, as you can see now on our price pound, we've actually had a bullish move, which we actually predicted. By the way, we are actually going to be going bullish, and definitely we'll be seeing a fall. One of the reason I gave a reason why we should actually take a buy position, but now I am telling you for the day, for today, at least we'll be having a retracement to this our area here. At least to this key area here, we should be having a retracement. And one of the reason why is that our JPY is now starting to give us that bullish move. Our JPY index, as you can see, our support area here, our JPY has actually come here to hit our support area here, and it's now time for us to actually go bullish before we might probably see a drop again. So for the day, our JPY has opened bullish on our JPY index. Any pair relating to our JPY index should actually be falling. That is exactly what we plan to trade. And now you can see our pound JPY for the day, it has actually opened bearish, and I believe it will close bearish, but it will still drop again. By the way, closing bearish. We are on our 4-hour time frame. Let's see it on our daily time frame. We are actually aiming for here. We can actually aim here as a double top area here, double top. We are also aiming when we add a bullish move that our price will react here, but we can see it here close to it, our price is actually reacting. So definitely we are seeing a fall. I believe our price will actually fall, test this area here, this previous area here, as this level here that I've just highlighted, test it, then go bullish again before you can actually now see a drop. That is exactly what probably might happen, or what we'll be planning to trade. But by the way, for the day, let's see our price falls, then we'll actually go bullish again on our pound JPY. That is on our daily time frame. And now on our 1-hour time frame, our price is now below our 10-period moving average, and once it is below it, we actually know that it is actually for us to take a sell position. So let's take a sell position to this our previous higher highs. This place was our previous higher highs before our price came to retraced, and we actually saw a breakout. So that should be giving us at least, we are actually open bearish, we still have about 100 plus pips to grab, 100 plus pips more for us to actually hit on our pound JPY. So that is the analysis. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you find this video helpful.